What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy ricothewaver. In today's video, I will be reviewing 3WP Wave S-Line brushes right here from my boy 360 Process Rashad. Now, as y'all know, if y'all watch my channel, y'all know that I won these two brushes, also two other brushes at the Wave Check event. Make sure y'all go watch the Wave Check video. But today, I'm going to be doing a review on these two brushes right here. These are his two new brushes. This one right here. This is the 3WP Hard Wave Brush Gloss Red S-Line. So this is the S-Line right here. This is a hard. When I won the giveaway, I did not open none of the brushes. Only brushes I opened was the palm brushes. These two brushes I did not open because I wanted to save them for a review. Then we also have 3WP S-Line Medium Handle Wave Brush. Blue bristles. Got blue bristles. Let's keep that in mind. They're both S-Line brushes. This one's gloss red and this one's a blue medium. Now, before we get deep into it, I'll give you guys an up close on the boxes so you can check out how the box looks, and then we're gonna go to pulling the brush out, seeing how it feels, getting a feel for it, checking the brush out, because today is just a first impression. This right here is how the box looks up close. Nice logo, 3WP, 360Wave Process Rashad. Another logo on this side. So it has a nice representation. Logo and stuff in the back where you can find the website to order the brushes is at to, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll show you how the brush looks when it's out the box. So just off the rip, you can already tell this brush has the gloss. This is the 3WP Hard Wave Brush S-Line Edition. Gloss. Fresh out the box. This is exactly how the brush looks out of the box. So as you can see, it has that gloss. It lives up to its name. It has the gloss. Nice 360 Wave Process logo. In gloss. And this is a hard too, by the way, so if you're a true waver, you could tell by just off the feeling of the brush that it's gonna have that pull. But of course, you'll have a better chances of feeling it when it's on your head, but my hair is not long enough right now. But like I said, if you're a true waver, you will know what the difference is. And I could tell already that this is gonna be amazing for woofs. And everybody knows that these type of bristles are exactly what are made for woofs. And you could just tell when I pull it. You hear that? It has that pull to it, stiffness, and all that has that hard brush comes with. Once again, this is a 3WP hard brush right here, gloss red S-Line. I could tell I'm going to be using this for very long woofs. This is going to get that pull, and it's also going to break forks, as you can tell. It's definitely going to break forks no matter which way I brush it. This right here is the 3WP S-Line medium handle brush, medium brush with blue bristles. Nice logo on the back. Logo all over, We're gonna just open the box, pull the brush out. I can already see the blue brick. Oh my God, that's amazing. And it's also gloss. This brush also has a gloss to it. As you guys can see, the nice 360 Wave Process logo right there. Some nice blue bristles. Nice pull to it. And you see how that has a more softer pull and more is pulling. That's how you can tell that that's a medium. Blue and black bristles in it. Nice brush for medium. I also have the palm brush just like this. I've used it, so I know exactly how this brush feels. It's amazing. Check it out one more time. Blue bristles, blue gloss on it. Nice brush. Is gonna also break forks. This is a medium 360 process brush. Blue bristles. Hey, now that you guys got an in-depth detailing about both of the brushes, the hard, also the medium, that was my first time ever opening the brushes, showing you guys, you know. Let's just open it and get another feel for the brush. Now this is the hard brush, gloss. Like I said, nice quality box. Nice quality box. Nice quality brush. I already know that this brush is gonna have dummy pull just by how hard it was. Y'all seen it. Just by how hard the brush was. I can already tell that this brush is gonna have a very nice pull. It's a hard brush, it's gloss, has a nice 3WP logo when you brushing. So you see that, you feel me? It's motivation. You know that this waver took time on his waves. You know this waver took time in his, you know, craft and came out with these brushes. Not only that, we know that he's wavy. He's an elite waver. So just seeing that should motivate you to just go crazy with a brush session. And also you got it on this side too, 360 wave process with a wave on there. That's, you feel me? So it's like you got it. You ain't got no choice but to dip. How you gonna have a brush with waves on it and you're not dipping, you know? So like I said, this is gonna have me go on some heavy woofs. Y'all will be seeing me use this a lot when I go on some heavy woofs. I'm talking like 7, 10. You know, y'all know the highest I've been was 15 weeks. You know, y'all gonna see me go on a lot of woof sessions with this. I'm telling you, I'm talking 10 to 15 weeks with this brush. I can for sure know that this would last me that long just by the pull on it. You know, the pull is amazing. Everything is A1. And y'all know when I review things that I will give y'all my A1, you know, true opinion on the brush. And that's my A1 true opinion. Now here it is with the blue. This one is just amazing in itself. Who you know with not only the box is A1, the brush is also got a gloss effect to it. Box is amazing, blue. But let's just focus on one thing. Who do you know got a brush with blue and black bristles? Who do you know? I know somebody. 360 wave process. My boy 3WP. You know? That's one person I know who is the only person in the wave game with a colored brush. This thing has blue and black bristles. It's blue. You don't only look stylish when you brushing your hair, but it also has a nice pull to it. Not only is it gonna break forks, it's straight. No matter which way you turn it, it's straight. I mean, just come on, bro. Like, this is blue bristles. And we also have red bristles. As y'all know, I did do a review on the fiery black, you know, fiery red. Come on now, like 360 Process Shot is the only person I know with colored bristles. Come on now. Colored bristles, like who? He's the only person in the game that do that. He's changed the game, bro. The game has changed. Like, come on now. Just look at that. That's a big difference, bro. Only person I know with colored bristles. I've been having that fiery red. That fiery red is amazing. Has great pull. Also is good on. That's like a medium hard to me. That one's great for going into a woof and getting me deep into the woof. But like I said, that hard, it'll definitely be medium, fiery red. You know, I'm gonna call this powder blue. You feel me? It's definitely gonna be this blue one, fiery red, and then this hard one going straight into my woof. Those three right there is a combination. Those will take my woof to the next level. I'm telling you, because look, I have a straight medium right here. Nice quality blue bristles, blue and black bristles. I'm not only stylish when I'm brushing my hair, I have an elite waver's brush. I'm brushing my hair, I'm going crazy. That's motivating me already. Boom, I get deep into the woof. I pull out that fiery red. Boom. I get deeper in my wood. Oh, that gloss right here, gloss this and right here. But this gonna pull me all the way rest through the whole 15 weeks. Y'all just don't understand. I recommend y'all go check out these brushes if you haven't already. Take a look at them. If you was one of the people who won a brush at the wave check, I know you know that these brushes are amazing. But if you did not win the brush, there's always time to go get one. You can go get one at his website. I will have the link down in the description below where to find these brushes. This was just a genuine, you know, first impression review on the 3WP brushes, S-line brushes that I just got. I saved these for this video on purpose, just to do this video, man. So with that being said, man, make sure y'all thumbs up the video, like, comment, subscribe. I will be coming out with more videos soon.